This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carol Robinson. Nice corner lot in beautiful Wells Lake Estates. There is power to the lot, community water available and septic permit in hand. Wells Lake Estates is an established community with lovely homes. This gentle/rolling lot is just under 1 acre and waiting for you in your dream home. Wells Lake is a private lake with no gas motors allowed, so it's always peaceful, and full of fish. For more information, review the details below or contact Carol Robinson at 866-835-8500 extension 105.